In the first phase of the project, the initial task was to decide on the practical application of multi-robots, and hence the application of search and rescue was agreed upon. In the project, the goal is to find a particular object in an environment in an organized manner, and once the object is found, provide its location to the user so that the next actions can be taken. The initial UML diagrams were modified according to the project goals. The object in this case is analogous to survivors in case of like search and rescue. The assumption was taken for the sake of implementation that the map of the said environment is already available to all the robots. As the part of the implementation of project, two classes, one for object detection and another generating the appropriate goal for the robots, were created. The object detection class is supposed to process the camera feed and identify the objects of interest like survivors within the environment. Currently, the implementation assumes the conversion of raw image messages to OpenCV format and relies on further development to handle object detection results and trigger appropriate actions.
On the other hand, the goal generation class will be responsible for generating a series of goals for the robot such that the robot will optimally explore the environment and search for the predetermined object. ROS to Humble was used for providing the navigation capabilities to the robot. Specifically, the nav2 package of ROS to Humble was used. So two nodes are created where one node will focus only on acquiring the video data, and then it will run object detection on that video. And while the other node takes care of navigation, where that node will provide the goal points to the robot and will keep track of whether the goal position is reached. And if the goal position is reached, it will provide the next goal. Now, for ensuring a solid foundation, minimal unit tests were written for both the classes to ensure that everything works as expected. Placeholder implementations for the ROS nodes were also written. Then level 1 and level 2 unit tests were written, and they were made sure that it could run on GitHub CI, and the statistics were shown on code coverage.